In Java, a multi-dimensional array is an array that contains other arrays. Unlike a one-dimensional array, which represents a list of elements, a multi-dimensional array organizes elements in a tabular form with multiple dimensions, such as rows and columns. The most common type of multi-dimensional array is a two-dimensional array, which is essentially an array of arrays. It can be visualized as a grid or a table, where each element is identified by two indices, one for the row and another for the column. Here is a simple example of a two-dimensional array in Java. In this example, matrix is a two-dimensional array with 3 rows and 3 columns. The elements are accessed using two indices, like matrix index of 1 and index of 2 to retrieve the value 6 from the second row and third column. Java also supports arrays with more than 2 dimensions, but they are less common. Multi-dimensional arrays are useful for representing complex data structures, such as matrices, tables, or grids, in a way that aligns with the inherent structure of the data. See you again. Thank you.